Next important topic, what is the thing we are going to discuss today is very important topic. This one also official statistics. From the topic itself we are having the meaning. Statistics means each and every theoretical information we can obtain by means of numerical data. We can call it as it is a statistics. Official means it is related to government. The government department, government, each and every professionals, they just maintain certain important record and they just also collect certain important information for their further purpose and also to implementation of new economic policies. This is the information. These are all the main important information. This is the main important report maintained and collected by government agencies. So official statistics means official government itself, they just collected the numerical data, whatever the thing it will be, whatever the problem it will be, or whatever the production it will be, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, each and everything, per capita income, national income, GDP, GNP, each and everything they just maintain. Clear? Official statistics means it is a main important statistics published by, it is published by government agencies and other public bodies. And other public bodies means each and every government department. Wow, different department, education department, health, sanitation, drinking water, housing facilities, each and every public welfare department, each and every department they just collected. And each and everything it is also maintained by two international organizations we are having. And what are the two important organizations means? First one CSO and second one NSSO. CSO means it is nothing but Central Statistical Organization. What is the thing? Central Statistical Organization. NSSO means it is nothing but National Sample Survey. National Sample. Sometime one more question also, abbreviate the term or expand the term they will ask. So read each and everything together with this spelling. National Sample Survey Organization. Clear? These two important organizations, they can play a very important role, and these two important organizations are considered the main important wing in order to collect each and every information which is very essential for official department, that is for government they can collect. Here the NSSO they can supply the information to that, and this official statistics they can collect the information from these two organizations. So there is a link between these two important things. Official statistics as well as one hand CSO and another one hand NSSO. Is it clear? And the statistics, each and everything they have provided, these two important organizations, they can provide each and every information. Both the CSO as well as NSO, they can provide each and every information in a quantitative as well as in a good quality nature they can provide it. Then only it would be used by the government in order to further implementation of so many economic program, and they can also put the full stop for so many important economic problem also. Is it clear? And each and every data it is provided and collected by CSO and NSO, they can submit to official persons and official statistician person, and they just collected based on that only so many economic welfare activities also undertaken in the economy. You people know so many economic welfare activities: education, health, sanitation, drinking water, housing facilities, laying of roads, construction of each and everything, industrialization, each and every sector development have been taken place by this one. And next important thing, the two important wings of, sometime they will ask in one more question also, what are the two important wings of official statistics? The two important wings, this one is, what is the thing? Two wings of official statistics. This is a two important wing. That is the thing. Now only we have seen CSO, Central Statistical Organization, NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization. And now we will see the main important ministry and what are the main important flowchart for official statistic. Wait, I just explain. And now we just see the main important flowchart for official statistics. The ministry can be classified into two important things. First important thing, statistics. First thing, statistics. And next important thing, program implementation. Program implementation. And this statistics, it is each and everything it is always provided by NSO, National Sample Survey Organization. Now only we have seen. Again, this one is already not yet we seen. We just see only CSO. What is the thing we have seen? CSO and NSSO. Central Statistical Organization and National Sample Survey Organization. Under these things, we are having two important subdivision. First one CSO and next one NSO. NSSO. National Sample Survey Organization and Central Statistical Sample Survey Organization. And another thing, program implementation. What is the thing? National Sample Survey Organization, CSO, Central Statistical Organization. This program implementation can be classified under three important headings. What are the three important headings? Wait. First one, 20-point program. Next one, infrastructure monitoring and project monitoring. Infrastructure monitoring and project monitoring. And last important thing, local area development program. Each and everything will be undertaken by this program implementation. In this NSSO, it can be classified under four important division. What are the things means? Listen very carefully. Sometime they will ask in your expansion also. SDRD. Next one, FOD. Third important thing, DPD. And fourth important thing, CPD. Each and everything listen very carefully. What is the term? SDRD means it is nothing but we just see in the next class where we are just going to see each and every expansion means what is the nature and role and importance of NSSO. Each and everything will come. Again we will see on another day also. So now listen very carefully. SDRD means it is nothing but Survey Design and Research Division. FOD means it is nothing but Field Operation Division. DPD means it is nothing but Data Processing Division. Last one CPD means it is nothing but Coordination Publication Division. Each and every survey, each and every information they have collected, and each and everything it will be operated, and each and everything data number it will be collected. Last one, they just coordinate each and everything. These are all the main important information about today, and that's the end of the class. And we will see the remaining things in the next class. Take care all. Thank you.